Hello student, today we will start the new chapter in geography, that is our environment. Okay, first chapter in your geography is our environment. Here you will study about the environment and its different components. Okay, here you will read about the environment and its different components. You all know, you all have studied about our earth and our environment in your class 6th also, and you all know why our earth is very important for us, because life is possible only on earth. That is why earth is called the unique planet. Okay, because we have everything which that present in our earth, on our earth, that we need to live. हमें रहने के लिए जिन जिन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, all these we get on our earth. हमें इस अर्थ पे ही वो चीज़ें मिल सकती हैं. That's why when we see the different kinds of landforms and rivers, trees, fields, we get amazed. Okay, who had made all these things? And at the same time, we are helped by the different kinds of man-made objects like the houses, roads, bridges, shops and industries, etc. If I will give you example of your school, what you will see, all the teachers, peers, classmates, trees, grasses, wall, school, book, bench, pencil, etc. All these are the surrounding of you. ये सारी चीज़ें आपके सराउंडिंग में है, इनको हम स्कूल का इन्वायरमेंट कहेंगे. We will see these are the environment which is related to the school or environment of the school. Okay. You all know our Earth, our planet Earth supports a wide diversity of life, including humans and a host of plants and animals. These organisms are dependent on the environment to fulfill their needs. Man is also constantly interacting with the environment in order to fulfill his needs. Okay, these needs include the oxygen for breathing, food for shelter, food and shelter. Okay, we need oxygen for breathing, food and shelter, in addition to social needs like the communication, transportation and entertainment, healthcare, etc. Here I will explain you all these things that man requires for the survival, comfort are called the resources. Okay, how we get these resources? All these we will explain about. We will learn about this in your coming topics, which these topics will be explained in other lecture. Here I will explain you the resources that we need to live or survive on our earth. That is also a part of our environment. The environment is reservoir of resources. Our environment all have all these reservoirs of the resources that we need to live on our earth. Okay, it means, what is the environment? The environment is defined as the surrounding in which an organism lives. In other words, we can say that everything around us and affecting us is called environment. Okay, everything which is around us, that is called the environment. Okay, and in next lecture we will study about the environment and its different category. In how many category we have divided the environment. Okay, like the natural environment and the human environment, and it is again divided into sub parts, that is biotic and abiotic. Natural environment is divided into biotic and abiotic environment. Human environment is divided into positive and negative environment. Okay, and biotic environment has biosphere, and abiotic environment has the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These are the other topic which we will study in our next lecture. Okay, And if you have any queries regarding the environment or any topic of environment, you will send me your queries on your WhatsApp number. Okay, here we have discussed about the environment. Next lecture we will study about the natural environment, which is the next topic for our lecture. Thank you.